Today we're getting our health under wraps with the help of our new blood pressure monitor. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a chart to show where your blood pressure stands, a power cable, an adjustable arm cuff, and your blood pressure monitor. All you need to get started is 4 AAA batteries. Put in your batteries, then locate the hole on the side. Grab the tube on the end of the arm cuff and insert the rod into the hole until it's flush. Slide on your arm cuff and tighten it down to fit your arm. Then push the start-stop button, and your at-home blood pressure monitor does the rest. No unnecessary setup, no calibration, and you get a reliable reading, all from the comfort of your home. Then after you get your reading, you can cross-reference with the chart to see how you're doing. You can even record your tests to go back and see how you were doing compared to last time. You can record up to 99 readings for 2 users, so you can share this with a family member, no problem. With the adjustable arm cuff, you can fit it around any arm and get readings for anyone who needs it. The screen is large and easy to read, with a ton of useful information. And with only 3 buttons, it couldn't be easier to use. So if you're looking to keep track of your blood pressure from the comfort of your home, this battery-powered blood pressure monitor might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go relax. My blood pressure's a bit high. See ya.